Plate and frame filter press. The main type of filter press used in the pharmaceutical industry is the plate and frame filter press. The operation of this filter press will be explained in the following screens. The plate and frame filter press is used to remove small amounts of solids from liquids. The filtrate should be free from all solid material. The main components of a plate and frame filter press are shown in the diagram. Advantages of plate and frame filter presses. A plate and frame filter press is a versatile piece of equipment for a number of reasons. The number of frames or plates can be increased or decreased as required. The operation and maintenance of the equipment is simple, as there are no moving parts. Any leaks that occur can be easily detected, as all the joints are external. Equipment Control Parameters 1. Assembly Procedure. The plate, filter medium, and frame must be assembled in the correct order. It is important that the correct number of filters and frames are used, otherwise the press will become blocked and the filtration process will stop. It is also important that the end plate is connected correctly and the central screw is tightened properly. Incorrect assembly can result in the filter press leaking. Filter type. The correct filter type to be used is specified in the BMR, or Batch Manufacturing Record. Using the incorrect filter may result in solid material entering the filtrate. The filter must be positioned correctly between the frame and plate. The filter medium must also be placed facing the correct direction in the press.